While we've got this gorgeous morning light, I thought I'd just show you the latest in what I've been coming up with these thermoplastics and the mica paints. And you can make them as thin as that, so then you can use that effectively like a shrink wrap with a heat gun, and that'll stick to most things, whatever, wood especially. But we've got some interesting shades and colours. I think that might be that way. Some sides are better than other sides, but yeah, dashes of gold. I think that is that way. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, I like the electric blues, if you can get a bit of electric blue in there. It's very solar almost. And this is possibly my favourite, just because of the sheer mess of colour that's in there. I especially like the electric blue and the electric purple, and the little bits of gold, and a little bit of everything really. Bit of bronze. I think I just went for it on that piece. But you never know what you're going to get, and that's what I like about this whole thing, is that this is a totally unique pattern. It's random. The process in making it every time is random. The colours you use are random. Nobody else has got this. I can guarantee you that. That might not be a big boast, but I don't know, it's unique. And I like unique things. I'm okay with simple things and everyday things as well, but if it's unique, it's just got that little extra something, I think. Personalisation, isn't it? So we won't linger on those too much, because I do feature far too much about my thermoplastics.